In this video, I will show you how to navigate your search history and manage past threads in Perplexity AI. I'll start by clicking on the Perplexity shortcut icon on my browser homepage to open the application. Once the site loads, a login prompt appears and I'm going to click Continue with Google to quickly sign into my Pro account. Now that I'm on the main dashboard, I'll move my cursor over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the History tab to open my library of previous searches. This section keeps all of my work organized in one place, allowing me to scroll through and revisit any specific threads I've created. Looking at the results in my history, I have a deep research analysis on the top-selling gaming smartphones for 2026 that includes a full comparison table for hardware specs. I also have a detailed thread comparing GPT 5.4 and Claude 4.8 to see which model provides more accurate citations for complex academic literature. As I continue scrolling down, you can see the wide variety of tasks I've completed, from solving complex math equations to generating specialized Python scripts for web scraping. Having this organized history ensures that I can quickly jump back into any conversation or retrieve important data from my previous research sessions. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.